Hello everyone. If you are getting the failed to download subtitle error in Plex, then this video will show you the exact fixes that you can try in order to basically troubleshoot this problem. Now, in many cases, Plex fails because subtitle agents are not set correctly. So, in order to fix it, you need to first of all come inside your Plex web. Afterwards, simply come inside the settings. When you are inside the settings, you just have to basically look for the option of agents. Now over here inside agents, look for the option of movies or TV shows. Just make sure that the open subtitles or other subtitle sources are enabled and placed at the top of the list. Also, log in into your open subtitles account inside Plex setting. In 2026, anonymous access is limited, so without login, downloads may fail. Now, Plex relies on the correct metadata to fetch the subtitles. So you can just simply go to your movies or the episode. Then you can click on the three dots right next to it. Afterwards, simply select the option of Fix Match. Make sure that your title, year, and the content are correctly identified. If the media is mismatched, Plex won't find the subtitles even if they exist. Now, subtitles providers often block the repeated or unusual requests. So if you are using any VPNs, you just have to basically turn them off and then try again. Also, avoid switching the servers frequently. If you are on a shared network, your IP might be rate limited. So in that case, you can wait some time or you can try a different network. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.